Hi students, there are Department of Information and Communication Technologies. The laboratory work is creating of video files with programs Hypercam, Adobe Premiere Pro, Windows Movie Maker, and etc. Let's talk about Movie Maker. The Movie Maker, the presentation will get you started with using Windows Movie Maker, your very own movie studio. It provides step-by-step instruction for adding photos, videos, audio files, etc. Quickly add photos and footage from your PS or camera into Movie Maker. Enhance your movie with audio and the theme. Movie Maker adds transition and effects automatically, so your movie looks polished and professional. As with most software programs, it is important to first understand the menu bar. So there is a menu bar. First we have to click the button Start. After then to find Windows Movie Maker and select it. And here is our Movie Maker program comes out. Now let me to you explain by practice work how to work in the Movie Maker. Okay, here is I have already opened the video maker. Now let's talk about this window. There are how to select the files and the laboratories and the voice, music, video files and the fonts and the effects. And here, if you want to create own video in here, you can press the button here, start video, and here is your screen, and here is your audio voice, and here is quickly video files. Now let's do some our video work. From here I want to select some videos. For example, this. Okay, it's going. Now it comes out here and it's going there. Now I want to put for this text, for example, if you want to put text here, so you can put it here by and here is titles for text, for example, like this and like this. For example, I want to choose design of titles. I want to choose this one. So I want to choose this one, the perfect intro forever, like this. And here is title is here. Okay. And from here you can choose how to do it. And let's write our title here. And you can choose for video text like this for all videos, and for little videos like this. So now from here you can put, if you want to cut your video or if you want to go back and come back, you can choose from here. And it shows that we have already chose the text, and from here is music. You can even add the musics. For example, like this, you can put fonts. like this. And after finishing work, you have to save it. You have to save it, and you have to press the button start. And from here you can choose by MP4 and WAV, like without showing video files. And from here you will show your video files. And from here is for iPhone, iPad, for telephones, and from here is for televisions. Okay, we need the MP4 files from here, and it's going on, and when it's going to 100%, your video will save there. So you can use these video maker programs by using and creating your videos and taking new videos like this. See, it's our new video comes here like from this. Okay, I hope you understand it. Now let's go to our work. Here is how to add and how to do all these things. And also for Movie Maker, this is old version. I have showed you new version, and you already saw that how to save it, how to make it, how to add presses and like this. And here is files, file name extensions like JPEG, JPEG, and GP, and TIFF, TIFF, GIF, BMP, DIF, ICO, and ICON PNG. Now there is how to create the video steps: adding video, select add video, and the photos, and the video saved on your computer. You have already sorted, and here is video file types and the file name extension. For example, MPEG for movie files, it's MP4 MOV, like this. If you want to add music, I have already showed it how to put it. For these audio files, for is it, and animation, visual effects, and I have already showed how to put the texts and how to do it, and the captions. Here is test questions for you students. I hope you understand the Movie Maker programs for this laboratory work, and try to answer the test questions and give your answer to your teacher for checking it. Okay, thank you for your attention. It's end of our laboratory work. Goodbye.